Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in California, and I'm going to make this whole process super simple and easy. I'm also going to make this as inexpensive as possible for you, so you're not going to be spending anything extra that you don't need to. I'm going to show you what you can click and unclick and all the things to do to save money. So let's get right into it. What I want you to do first is click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Taylor Brands website. And this is what I like to use for filing LLCs and explaining how to file LLCs. It is super straightforward. It's like the easiest one to use. It's very straightforward, and you're not going to get like bamboozled with extra fees. It's the best one. So again, click the link in the description below. I'm going to show you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. So that way by the end of this video, you can have it completely filed. All right, so let's begin. And first, it's going to take you to their page. We're going to start with California. And type in the name of your business. Now, I do eyelash extensions, so I'm going to type Care Lashes. And you guys, if you want to change your name later, it's your business name later also, it's not a big deal. You can do that. Okay, type in the industry. Just look for something that looks close to what you do. And okay, and this part is more or less a survey, so just click what applies. Same here, and same here about if you want business partners or not. You can change your mind on this as well. Okay, you discovered Taylor Brands through YouTube, and this is just like an ad for, you know, if you want to get coaching through the website. Nothing to sign up here for, just kind of a promotion. Let's hit next. And now you're going to type in your personal information. All right, and you guys, you want to look at the top right now. We are already 2/3 of the way through, so let's keep going. Okay, what is this? Get funding matches. Okay, again, this is just like another ad of a feature that they have on here. What is this for? Funding search. All right, this is my first time seeing this one. Again, it's just kind of a promotion, so let's hit next. Now, to get your EIN number is super important for running your business. Something's like weird here. It's like weirdly low or something. Does it look weird? I don't know, like something's like not right. Looks like abnormal. Maybe it's not as zoomed in as normal. Just look at it. It looks fucking retarded right now. It's like here up. All right. I think it's normally I tilt it down, so it's like here. It's literally like this. Okay, I'm gonna keep going. No, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so your EIN number is super important to have for your business. At some point, pretty soon, you're going to need it. You're going to need it in order to file your taxes. And if you want to open a business credit card, you will need that EIN number as well. So if you want to do it on your own, you know, free of charge, you can do it through the IRS website. However, if you don't feel like dealing with the hoopla of the IRS website, you can have Taylor Brands do it for you. And it is $99 extra. So they will say the price at the end, but I'm just letting you guys know, if you want to pay for that extra charge, click here. I personally find the $99 to be worth it. You know, listen, $100 to save you some stress, in my opinion, is a smart decision. But again, totally up to you. And every single year you have to renew your LLC, and this is in every state. So you will get reminders, and then you will need to renew it. So if you're afraid that you might forget about it, if you forget about it, you can lose the name of your business. Someone else can take it, and pretty much you have to start over from scratch. So obviously we don't want to do that. if you want Taylor Brands to renew it for you, you can. It is an additional fee. It is a bit pricier. I think it's like $250 a year. So again, it's an extra fee. If you don't want to pay that, I'm going to skip on that. We're going to handle the compliance here. And would you like a brand new toolkit? Let's click no. I don't want the tools. And would you like to get your LLC even faster? So if you want to get it in just one day, again, this is an extra fee. I think it's also $99. I feel like 14 days is super fast still, and it's completely free. So let's choose this option. And to get an operating agreement, we're going to click I'll figure it out myself. This is something that you can get later on down the line. Really great to have, especially if you have partners. That way everything is broken up, all the legalities and formalities of everything, so that you know all of your, what your business partners are responsible for, what you are responsible for. And in case there's any issues in the future, or maybe somebody wants to sell their portion of the business or leave the business, you guys aren't going to run into any legal issues down the line because you have that operating agreement. Okay, let's click no. This is a formation kit. It honestly is kind of good to have. It basically has all of the paperwork you're going to need for filing your taxes and staying organized with your income. But if you have that stuff already, let's skip it. Let's save some money. And yes, let's get notified about our filing. Okay, we are now on section 3 of 3. I hope you guys are sticking with me on this. Let's just finish it up. The last part is the fastest. So we're going to click this option here. It says see other options. Before we do anything, I just want to show you guys. So today we're getting just the light plan, which means Taylor Brands itself is not charging you anything for using their services on their website, which is perfect. Just to show you the other options they do have, though, are definitely nice to consider. If you want to get a really professional website created and you haven't done this, or maybe your website, looks bad and you need something that really makes people, they care about their business, I want to give them my money. That's really what people think. Like, you ever go on a website and it's really bad layout and you're like, no, this is kind of like not so good. So anyway, if you want to get a website created, they have a bunch of other options on here. It's $250 a year, which honestly, if you go out looking to get a website created, is significantly more than that. So just something to consider, but let's click this light plan here. And so here's what we're paying for today. So nothing to Taylor Brands. California state filing fees are $75, which is one of the lowest states right now. I think California last year was like significantly more. So if you're filing this year, congratulations, you're getting a pretty good deal. So this is the state filing fee. You can see here, California charges a total of $75 in LLC filing fees, $70 for filing, and $5 for a certified copy. All fees go to the Secretary of State. So you guys, this is a charge that has nothing to do with filing your LLC. This is simply with the state, and every state is a little different. Now you can see these options here. You can select or deselect any of them. This is if you want to do a trial for bookkeeping. Let's unselect that. And again, your EIN number. If you'd like to have Taylor Brands do it for you, you can select this. Now today we are only paying $75, which is the state filing fee. The LLC itself is completely free. So let's go to the payment. And after your LLC is filed, if you've chosen to get your EIN number, it will process about a week or two after that. So LLC comes first and then EIN number. That's it, you guys. I hope this was easy to follow along with, but if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below. And I hope I was able to save you some money. I'd love to hear, any experiences you may have had with this in the past. And if you found this easy, please leave a comment below. And I hope to see you guys next time.